Short video of an install of a Subaru EJ22 motor and an old 1969 Volkswagen bug. Finally going to be pushing about 200 horsepower at the wheels. Fuel injected. No more distributor. Coil. She's finally in there. She fits pretty nicely, actually. Probably gonna have to cut off the oil filler. Or just make it right out to the side, make it look funky. Still gotta install the ECU, wire harness, fuel, radiator. But we're getting there. Should have a big old rat's nest up in there. This is the donor car. 1997 Legacy wagon. Already got the engine pulled, ECU's pulled. So it looks like the dash off. There's the dash. I had to use a mixture of the crane and little jack.